Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to add Mastercard gift card on Amazon. So let's get into the video. So firstly, go to Amazon and log into your account. So once you're on your account on Amazon here, so what you're going to do, hit on your account here option on your top and then click on your account, and then when you get to your account here, so select under your account, select your payments, simply select that. And then here what you're going to do, under wallets you'll see card and accounts section here, so simply hit on add a payment method, click on it, and then this will prompt you to add your debit or credit card. So simply select that option, add a debit or credit card. Since you're adding a debit Mastercard, so you can simply use this option here to add your Mastercard details here. So all you have to do is simply plug in the details of your Mastercard, and then once you're done, hit on your add button, add your card option here, just simply add that, and that's it. Your card will be added to your account and you can use this card for any of your purchases on Amazon. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.